Today I'm going to teach you how to draw two different types of Christmas trees. For the first one, start by drawing a line. And on there, you're going to use that line to draw 4 triangles. That's one triangle. And then you're going to start right in the middle to draw your next one. And you just have to make sure that each triangle you draw is bigger than the next. And then fill it in. And if you accidentally made yours a little too skinny, or if you wanted a thicker tree, you can always just add lines like this. All right, and finally, don't forget your stump on the bottom. For the next one, you're going to do exactly the same thing and draw a line right down the center. All right, and now instead of drawing triangles, you're just going to draw a bunch of line to fill in each layer. And I love the way this looks because it really makes it look like a real tree. And as you go, just start from the bottom of your last layer and just keep making those lines down. All right, we got one more layer to go. All right, and don't forget the stump. Last, let's finish this up by putting stars on top. First, make the letter A on the top of each of the trees. Just like that. And next, you're just gonna extend that middle point of the A a little further. Next, you're just gonna connect that long line with the bottom. You can always go back and connect the star with the tree. All right, let's put some ornaments on these. For ornaments, you could draw dots or larger circles just scattered throughout the tree. All right, and there you have it, 2 Christmas trees.